Finally, it's official, guys. FPJ's Batang Quiapo is ending on March 13.
No, bakit naman? This is such sad news. 3 taon at 1 linggo tayong sumabay sa journey ni Tanggol.
Coco announced this sa TV Patrol interview with MJ Felipe. He said na naramdaman niya na nagawa na lahat ni Tanggol.
Pero ang ganda pa ng storyline, may election pa, may drama pa. Bakit kailangan matapos?
Nung natalo siya sa election, ano pa ba yung major na tatakboy ng kwento? He felt it was time.
May election storylines pa, may family drama, may action pa, hindi pa tapos yung mga loose ends.
Honestly, tama si Coco. Better to end on a high note than mag-drag yung story.
Quality over quantity. Pero this show became part of our routine. Gabi-gabi nanonood tayo ng aksyon, ng thrill.
And let's be honest, ang daming violence. Barilan dito, patayan doon. Hindi magandang influence yan sa viewers.
It's action drama, ganyan talaga ang genre. Ano gusto mo magpatawa si Coco doon?
Violence is violence. Kids are watching, parents complain. Dapat maging responsible tayo sa content.
It's rated for mature audiences, plus it shows consequences ng violence. May moral lessons.
Fine, pero Coco himself admitted how hard it was. Nasasaktan ako, nalulungkot ako.
Exactly. That shows how much heart he put into it. Ang ganda ng storytelling, ang character development.
Coco said, hirap na hirap talaga kami. Sa lahat ng aspects, crew, directors, actors.
3 years na walang tigil na action stunts ng gabi-gabing shooting, respect kay Coco at sa buong team.
3 taon nga, at aaminin ko, maraming Filipinos na naging invested sa show na ito despite my concern.
Invested? This became a cultural phenomenon. Ang daming memes, reactions, trending topics every night.
Oo nga, the ratings were consistently high. People love the action, the family dynamic.
Exactly. Primetime king talaga si Coco. Walang kupas. From probinsyano to Batang Quiapo.
Talagang dominado. But here's something interesting. Coco said may importanteng sasabihin pero hindi pa niya sinabi.
Oo, he was smiling pero no clue. Remember nung nag-end ang probinsyano? May surprise appearance ni Julia Montes?
Some people think it's about his personal life or family, pero pwede ring tungkol sa next project.
I bet it's something big. Coco never disappoints. Maybe movie? International project?
Well, the answer is here. ABS-CBN announced new primetime series with Julia Montes called Sigabo.
Yes! Coco and Julia together again! This is what I'm talking about. The action continues.
Sana mas balance ang Sigabo. Less gratuitous violence, more meaningful storytelling. Umaasa ako.
Whatever it is, sigurado ako maganda yan. Coco plus Julia, recipe for success. Can't wait.
So goodbye Batang Quiapo, congratulations sa 3-year run. At welcome Sigabo, sana worth it.
Subscribe to Pinoy Showbiz Chika para updated tayo sa Sigabo. Drop your thoughts. Excited ba kayo o team sana wag na?